everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in today. So it's been a while since I did an unboxing, and I want to share what I got from 22A collection. So let's get started with unboxing. So here's the big box and the receipt. So let's open it. So big. Here. I'm so excited to see this. So they changed the sticker. Are you ready? Ta-da! This is the Chanel 22 bag from 22A collection, and this is in the small size. So let me just Okay, so this is in the shiny calfskin leather with antique gold hardware, and here how it looks, and the color is camel or brown, and here in front you can see the Chanel logo, and this is how the back looks like, and the bottom. And the chain looks like this. And here you can see there's a coin medallion charm. I really love this. And now let's open the bag. So there's a magnetic closure and snap button on the side, both sides, and there's a removable pouch there, and here's the pouch. It looks like this with a CC logo. So the inside, there's a quilted design, and it's fabric interior. And here's the interior of the bag. It has one zipper compartment here. And this one is made in Italy. So the other side is the chip. There you have it. Okay. So what I like about this bag, it is super easy to carry and to get in and out. I love the pouch that comes with it. It's so unique in how you style it. The leather is very durable. It elevates the outfit and it's much prettier in person. I'm so happy to add this bag to my collection. I really like the style, the hobo style, and this coin pendant, and I love the color. And I see myself using this bag a lot this summer, and it's so lightweight. There you go, there you have it, my quick unboxing. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my mod shop.